This project is a 70 square meter condominium unit located in McKinley Hill. It's a pre-furnished 2-bedroom unit that offers a great view of Makati Central Business District and Taguig City. When we visited the space, the unit already includes appliances such as stove, oven, range hood, and also split-type air conditioning units. The floor plan of the unit is curvilinear, which was a bit challenging since we had to adjust some areas and details to snugly fit the corners. Upon entrance, there's the foyer with a quick access to the kitchen, and then we have the dining area, and then we have the living room area next to it. We have 2 bedrooms. On the upper left is the first bedroom, which we turned into a loft, and on the right side we have the master bedroom. The one on the bottom left is supposed to be the maid's quarter, but we used it as a temporary storage room and laundry area. The concept behind the Mellow dwelling is to create a safe space where it feels like time slows down in the midst of a hustling and bustling city. The unit is the client's home away from home setup, a place where they can go to after a long and busy week of work. The unit is inspired by Japanese Scandinavian themes, or what we call as Japandi nowadays, focusing on balance and simplicity with light colors and wood to create a sense of security and warmth. Home should never be short of storage since it's always evolving. So we tried to maximize the rooms by taking advantage of the ceiling height and created a loft-type bed. This loft area includes a work area and wardrobe below, and we used strip lighting with aluminum profile to provide diffused lighting and to avoid uncomfortable glares, especially while working. We have stairs with drawers going up to the sleeping area where it's brightly lit by step lights that they can access from both upper and lower levels. The loft has a chevron pattern guardrail which goes all the way up to the ceiling and provides privacy without the feeling of being in a cramped space. The master bedroom has a sort of unconventional layout where the wardrobe is located in the middle of the space. The wardrobe serves as a divider between the sleeping area and the working area. The back of the wardrobe is designed this way to create a see-through illusion that doesn't make the space look cramped or small despite putting a large object in the middle. The bed area is designed to look like a nest, like it's private, secure, and cozy, and also never short of storage as well. The work area is strategically placed near the window, where the natural light can increase productivity and also allows the user to enjoy the view as well. The front wardrobe side leads to a straight hallway to the balcony and also houses an hairdresser, an appliance that can steam and clean while storing clothes. A single home can contain so many surprising features, and this is what I enjoyed most about this project. The Mellow dwelling, with its simple and timeless palette, is a space that can evolve through time, grow with people, and witness stories.